how to forward WhatsApp status video or images in WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how you can forward WhatsApp status video or images to your friends on WhatsApp. So let's get started. So on this process, firstly you'll have to open the WhatsApp app and log in with your account. Okay, so now from here you will have to swipe right to view all of the status that are showing on your WhatsApp account. So now on this interface you will got to see a lot of status that your friends or that you post by your own self. Hereby it will be shown. So in my case I have uploaded this random status on my WhatsApp. So to view that you will have to click on this my status option. So I'm tapping on it. Okay, so now from here you'll have to go with the option 3 dots just at the status of yourself or your friend. So simply you have to tap on the three dots just at the right. So simply tap on it, and here you got options to forward, save, share to Facebook or delete. So to forward it you'll have to go with the options forward, and now from here you can easily forward this status to your desired friends on WhatsApp. So this is the simplest method to forward WhatsApp status video or images to your friends on WhatsApp. So hope this video was helpful to you, and if any queries or arises, just let me know them in comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.